Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss how to export your grades from Canvas back into TAC. First, you're going to open up your Canvas page. You're going to click on the gradebook. Once you've inputted the grades that you would like to enter into your Teacher Access Center, you're going to click on Actions and you're going to export your gradebook. That's going to create a CSV file, which you can then open in Microsoft Excel. You're going to use that Excel document to import your grades into TAC. Once the file downloads, generally I'm going to open it directly on my computer. Once this document opens, there's going to be a few items that we need to change to prepare it to transport the grades into TAC. You'll notice you have numbers going down and letters going across. The first thing we're going to do is change these letters to numbers. You're going to click File, Options, Formulas, and you're going to check the R1, C1 reference style, and you're going to click OK. That's going to change that to numbers. All of your documents at this point in time in Excel will be changed to this format until you uncheck the box. The next thing you need to do is actually delete column 1, which generally includes the student's last and first name. Next, I'll usually take row 1 and format the cells so that they are aligned and wrapped. That way I can read all the information. These are your assignment names from Canvas. The second row are your point values. It's important when you create your assignments in TAC that the point values match. The next thing you're going to want to do will save you a lot of time once you're importing the grades into TAC. If you are leaving anything blank or you're excusing items in Canvas, you're going to want to update those so that they match the codes that you'll use in TAC. We use codes like NHI or E for excused. So you're going to want to highlight all the area that is the assignments for the students. Then I'm going to do a simple find and select. This is here on my screen. Might be different on yours. You may need to go to Edit or File and Insert. Once you open up, you're going to do Replace. What do I want to find? I want to find anything marked in this form as EX and change that to E, which is the code that TAC uses. And I want to replace all. It will tell me how many they found and replaced. I'm going to click OK. Next, I've left my assignments blank, so I want to take any blank spot and change that to NHI. Again, replace all. I had a lot of those because some of my assignments I haven't entered scores for yet, and I won't use when I do my transfer. That's okay. I now want to save this. I generally keep it saved to a specific folder on my desktop called Grade Imports. I'll change the name to Grades and Week of whichever week it is that week. So this week it's going to be 35, and I'm going to click Save. And I'm going to click Yes. I want to keep the formatting. I'm now ready to import my grades into TAC. Once I open my gradebook, I'm going to find the assignment I'm ready to enter grades for. I'm going to click on this button, which is Mass Update Scores for the entire assignment. I get several options, and I want to import scores from the file. I'm going to choose my file, and then I want to include the student ID column, which is 2. If you look at the Excel document, I'll show you really quickly, you'll see that it says SIS user ID. That's the column we want. And then I want the assignment number. So I need to find the assignment that matches this assignment in TAC. On my document, that's going to be column 20. So I'm going to enter in 20. Because there are no scores already entered, I don't have to check any boxes, and I just need to click Import. It has successfully imported 17 scores. Students that were not enrolled in this specific period were ignored from the sheet because it only looks for student ID numbers. So I can use the same sheet if I have my classes cross-listed. If I want to overwrite or update scores, I would do the same. So I've already entered scores, for example, for this assignment, but I know that a few students have submitted it after the due date and I've graded those in Canvas. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to click this button, import scores from file, and make sure that I have selected the correct file. Click CSV, student ID is column 2, and I merely need to find the assignment column. I'm going to enter 22, and I'm going to scroll down here to overwrite any existing scores. That way, if there's already a score of NHI, 0, or excuse, it will change that score. And I'm going to click import. All scores have been updated. It's that simple. You can do this every week or every month, go back and update scores. It's up to you, but it really is a simple way to move your grades from Canvas to TAC. If you have any questions, please reach out to your building facilitator.